Hey, this is Mrs. Nelson. We're looking at a problem from Unit 7, Lesson 8, Writing and Graphing Inequalities. The objective is I can write an inequality to represent a situation and then graph it on a number line. The problem says, at the book sale, all books cost less than $5. What is the most expensive a book could be? Well, we know it can't cost $5, but it has to cost slightly less than $5. So we'll write less than $5 is $4.99. The next part says write an inequality to represent costs of books at the sale. So we know they're less than $5, so I'm going to use B as my variable to represent books. Books are less than $5, but I know they're not free, and I know they can't be negative amounts, so I'm also going to indicate that books are greater than 0. The last part says draw a number line to represent the inequality. So since it can't be 5, I do want to start at 5, but communicate that it doesn't include 5, so I'm going to circle around the point 5 on the number line, and since it can't be 0, but I want to communicate that it does start right around 0, I'm going to put a circle around the point at 0. If we were going the simplest route, we would just connect those two dots with a solid line, but that would indicate that any value between 0 and 5 is acceptable, which means you could buy a book for $1.52.50. And that doesn't work. We can't have $1.525. We can only have whole number, well, not whole number, exact numbers for cents and dollars and cents. So you could buy a book for a penny or 2 pennies, but not 2.5 cents. So realistically, if we were trying to show what it really looks like, I'd have to use a whole bunch of dots, and those aren't enough to show that it's every 1 cent value in between 0 and $5, not including $5. But we'll just stick with that simpler thing and indicate that it's somewhere in between 0 and $5. Again, our objective says I can write an inequality. I did, using B is less than 5 and B is greater than 0, and graph it on the number line, which I did in letter C. Thanks for watching.